Alright, now that I'm exhausted from trying that trick probably 20 times over and over, thinking it'll be a first try trick for a cool little intro.
What am I even going for?
I'm here to tell you who I am and what's going on with the project behind me. My name's Clayton Dan. I'm a freelance worker. I write blogs on vegan recipes and I do vegan food reviews. I'm entirely kidding. I like to ride children's bicycles. I sell life insurance and health insurance. I bought a 2015 Ford Transit, sold all my dirt bikes, my supercharged Tacoma, and my Prius. I'm gonna cut that out. No one needs to know that I had a Prius. And this is Al, a 2015 Ford Transit with a 3.5 twin-turbo EcoBoost extended tall roof. The biggest Ford Transit that's currently being made and the absolute best vehicle for van life. After I spent a lot of time researching, my conclusion was, for me anyhow, the Ford Transit was what I wanted. I'll make an entire video on that. Links will be in the description. But I just wanted to do a quick introduction video, have something on my channel other than the 3D build of my van. So you can go check that out. You're going to see what this entire van's going to look like using a 3D software. There'll be a little dealio in one of the corners you can click on to go check that out. I wanted something other than that to be able just to roughly tell you who I am, show you my van, and kind of go over the plan of it. I'll go over the main components real quick of the van. I'll go over my necessities of what I thought that I needed in van life. First off, I needed to be able to fit my bicycle into the back of the van. I originally wanted to do it without having to take it apart at all, but that wasn't realistic. So it's tall enough to where I can just take off my front wheel and slide it into the back like a lot of mountain bike builds you see. I also wanted enough room to be able to fit a mountain bike and possibly an extra BMX bike. And I think that I've achieved that. I've yet to test. I wanted enough power to be able to play video games for as long as I want. I've played a lot of video games in my life. I used to run a gaming YouTube channel with a good few thousand subscribers on it. But I wanted to have enough power to be able to play video games, watch movies, edit videos, and live normally. I wanted to have an oven. Although I joked about the vegan stuff, I do try to eat rather healthy. So I bake and cook a lot of my own meals. So I wanted an oven and a good sized stove. And I wanted a good sized fridge. I wanted to be able to have milk, tea, and a couple pounds of chicken, you know, and I think that I've achieved that. I actually got too big of a fridge, I think. I did that on quite a few things. And also I wanted to have enough water to be able to wash dishes and take showers. So that brings me to the showers. Everybody wants to know where the shower is going to be. So I'm going to have an outdoor shower in the back. And then for days that I need to shower inside for whatever reason, I plan to have like a little tote, like you would put camping stuff in or something like that. And I'll just set that in the middle of the van and then have a few spots for a curtain to hook up right in the middle of the van, and then just hook a nozzle onto my sink, which will be right where I'm sitting, and be able to string that up over and then just run the curtain down into the bucket, shower until your feet are full of water, get out, dump out the bucket. I wasn't into the idea of a toilet because with a composting toilet, you go to the bathroom and then your bathroom stays in that toilet for quite a while, and then you slide that toilet back underneath of your countertop, and then you get back to cutting your vegetables right above all the fumes. I wasn't into it. I wanted to have a lot of countertop space. Once again, I like to cook a lot, so I wanted to be able to have a nice amount of space to cook comfortably. And I wanted to have seating for two, not including the driver's seat or passenger seat. So I did get that accomplished. Just a couple of bench seats, and it works out perfectly. I haven't made the table yet. That's going to be a process. So this channel is just going to be me building out this van. If you want to see how I got it to the point that it's at right now, and if you want to see me get it from here to hopefully looking like a nice finished home, we will see. Hit that subscribe button and be able to keep up to date on the build itself. Everything's going to be very far behind, so if you want to keep up with me in real time, check the Instagram. I probably won't start editing the build videos until I'm already living in the van and it's completely done. I don't have time to do it now, and I don't have the mind space to do it now. What else do I have to say?